My name is Eli Valenzuela. I am the chairman and founder of First Aid Manufacturing. Why I started First Aid Manufacturing, there was two things. When I used to work at Dover Air Force Base, I was privy to some of that information that was coming in, how much we were paying for insulation and seats. And I told my wife that I know that I can do this and I can do it better and I can do it cheaper. So this is one of the things that I went in for, is to be able to give back to the government products that we needed for our military at a better price and a better product. The other thing that pushed me into this arena was that we found out that our son Simon was autistic. We were taking Simon to all different kinds of specialists everywhere around here in the East Coast, and it was very, very expensive, and our insurance didn't cover it. So what I did what every other American would do for their children: quit your job and start something new, which is what we did. Right now we're working a lot with the transit systems, like the metro system in Washington and also Amtrak. But as far as on the military side, we're working a lot with Israel and Lockheed Martin and things like this to beef up our forces. My passion is for the military, and to be able to help the people in Israel with their V-22 Osprey helicopter, and also the Japanese for their defense forces. It's something that makes my heart beat. My dad left me with one thing. He said, "Don't ever be like a wheelbarrow. A wheelbarrow will only go as far as you push it. Once you let it go, it stays there. Always do more than you're being asked to do." And we have incorporated that and then some principle into First Aid Manufacturing. When we started the business right down the street on that one-car garage, just me and another lady, right now, fast forward, we have nearly 100 people. Everybody gets cross-trained to do different things, so it's not just one thing. Everybody knows everybody else's work. To say that I have achieved my goal, there's always one more next step. When we started the company, we did start with that in mind, about having be able to give back to the military a better product at a cheaper rate, and we're doing that across the board. And to say where Simon is right now, he graduated from the University of Delaware. When we first found out that he was autistic, the specialist said that he would never talk, he would never write, he would never read. But to see where he is right now, everything he sees, he picks up and reads. I really, really love coming to work, because to me it's not work. If you love what you're doing, it's never work. I love seeing the faces of the people. I can walk outside to the manufacturing facility and see everybody smiling. I mean, people love their job here. People love what they do here. And it's like I said, it's not considered to me as work. When I look at the amount of businesses that there is across the country, and the amount of people that are Hispanic that run these businesses, and to be chosen as one of the finalists for this top honor, it just blows me away. If somebody would have told me this 5 years ago, that I was going to be honored as one of the successful Hispanics in the United States, I would laugh. I wouldn't think so, but we have gotten to the point right now as a team to work at this thing to make it right. And for me, it's one of the biggest honors I've ever had in all my life.